It's just after 2 o'clock on Monday, the 10th of February 2025. You can see that the sun is pretty much directly on this side of the house, and we've been continuing to tidy out the back end of the barn. This is far from all of the stuff we've brought out. We've already got a lot of it into piles and bags there. There's always so much rubbish. So it's the third partial day we've been trying to clean out this barn. We removed a mattress against that window. This is an old horse thing. So there was a ton of just plastic bags and plastic containers. Every now and again we found an old saucepan in there. Hay. Excuse me, it's making me cough from all the hay dust. So I just finished clearing out that part. We got all the soily crap from the bottom onto the compost pile. Here's one of the saucepans I found. We found several dead cats and rats, and continuing to clear this out. There's some brick just there, so that means that it's not quite as full as what it might appear, although it was completely full in there of hay. So this is the third day that we've been clearing it. Now what's kind of nice is that the sun comes... Oh damn, I'm trying to put this thing in here. Oh, there. Go on, go in. Oh man. Go in! Oh, stupid thing. Jesus. Oh, God. Man. Okay. So we've got this light in here. So you can see all these cobwebs. If I do this, you can see the cobwebs really well. There's cobwebs right down to here. So in this room, again, we've got plastic dog bags up against the window for some reason, so you can't really ever see in here. And I'm going to see if picking this thing up will allow me to show you what's in this room. So we've got another old bicycle, plenty of wooden rubbish which we can burn. Oh my God, I'm right into this. Oh God. Looks like there's an old piece of tin there. Plenty of plastic and metal, basically wood, cobwebs. You know, just plastic shoved in doorways for no apparent reason whatsoever. Lots of this stuff on the ceiling that, for want of another word, we call it mixed pickles. We might attack this today. Yeah. This one is not nearly as crammed full. Not every molecule of air is crammed full of rubbish, which is different than usual. So it smells really bad in here because, as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, at least plenty of poo in here. It's making me cough. But as you can see, the sun really streams in through these windows, which will be interesting because I'm planning on having windows at that end and a door somewhere, maybe between these two windows, that goes into that part of the garden for the deck, the patio, which will be outside there. So it's nice to have sun streaming in, but sometimes too much sun streaming in, I think it's a bit too much. Anyway, we're making headway. Bruno started to break down these. Now we've still got, you see, there's some around the corner there as well. There's lots of old piping. We've already got a pile of old pipes. Don't know what the round thing is in the corner. There's a piece of cloth hanging up there. There is leather horse tackle there. It won't be any good though. It's ruined. Because nothing here was stored properly, everything is ruined and useless. Whether it was useless when they put it there or whether it became useless after it degraded, it's hard to say. So this will one day be our lounge at this end and our kitchen, which will extend through the wall at the end there. And out here I'm thinking about having a big gravel turning circle. Bruno likes to put his car here because it doesn't get as frosty in the winter as it does round that side, because round this side there's very little sun that side of the house, and then he wakes up with a completely frozen over car that he's got to scrape just to get to work. So although that building at the back there is pretty ugly, that's a nice lookout down the garden there. Our garden doesn't extend all the way to those trees, there is a field at the bottom as well. Our part goes as far as the messy long grass goes, which you can't see at the moment. Way further than that tall bit of grass there though.